Good afternoon. My name is Emily Levinson. I'm a master's candidate in the Consumer and Design Sciences Department. My thesis is entitled Preparing for Specialized Practice in Design and Wellness, a Model Curriculum. So I've developed a curriculum model instead of a traditional thesis. So I don't know if anyone's really familiar with WELL, but it's created from the International Well Building Institute, IWBI, and they've created the WELL Building Standard. So it's a certifying process for buildings, and it's similar to LEED. So if you're familiar with how a building can be LEED certified, which is how a building contributes to the environment and making it good for the environment, WELL is sort of that new similar thing, and it's just a growing trend in the industry, and it's how a building is going to contribute to somebody's health and wellness, the people who work inside of it. And since we spend 90% of our time inside of buildings, I think we can all agree that it's very important that our buildings are supporting our health. So IWBI was started by Delos, a wellness real estate company, and after a Clinton Global Initiative. So people aren't really educated too much yet on the WELL Building Standard, but you can become a WELL-accredited professional, similar to a LEED AP. So there are over 200,000 LEED APs, but currently only 800 WELL APs, of which now I am one. So that was really exciting after this whole process. But since we aren't, it's growing and it's becoming this big thing. So we need to really educate not only students, but also professionals in the design, the built environment industry, so that we can implement this and have buildings that are well certified and are healthy for us. So I've created a curriculum. So our LEED has a similar sort of thing. So this would be for WELL to use for educational material. And I've created a syllabus and a schedule and projects and lectures and all sorts of things that could be used to teach WELL, and it could be used for a studio or for a lecture or even in professional development. So it would teach these are the different concepts that are in WELL. So it addresses water quality, comfort, air quality, nourishment, mind, light, and fitness. And all these are addressed in the WELL Building Standard, which was just created a few short years ago. So it's really like this big growing thing. And why is this important? I think that we all can agree, like I said, that health and wellness are very important. But besides that, it's important that we're educating people with this. And I have had a lot of interest in implementing this sort of thing. So I've been in contact with GBES, which is the Green Building Education Services, and they create different educational materials and webinars and this sort of thing for LEED currently, and they're really interested in creating this stuff for WELL. So we've been in contact maybe about making some sort of webinars from the material I've created to help professionals gain this credential. Also, I know Auburn, my department, and also the sustainability department has shown some interest in maybe implementing this as a course one day. So the goal is to really educate students and professionals so that we can get more interest in WELL and build these healthier buildings so that the people inside of them can have a healthier life. Thank you.